Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to talk about the best tips and tricks to fix Windows security not opening or working problem in Windows 11. Windows security is an essential tool in keeping your PC safe from viruses, malware, and other threats. However, it can sometimes encounter issues preventing it from opening or functioning properly. But bother not, because I have found some pretty reliable tips and tricks to fix this frustrating problem. That said, let's get started. So first off, I will recommend you to update your PC, considering the fact that frustrating software bugs do not stay away for too long from Windows 11. I will recommend you to go for the latest software update. To do so, open the Settings app on your PC and then click on the Windows Update tab in the left sidebar. And then you have to click on Check for Updates option and then go ahead to download and install the latest update. And after you have updated your device, restart it and check if the antivirus tool has started to work as usual. If the tool has started to work, it was a software bug that was preventing it from functioning properly. Next up, I would recommend you to perform an SFC aka System File Checker scan. The SFC scan works like a charm in checking for and repairing corrupted or missing system files on Windows 11. Therefore, go for this reliable solution as well. To do so, you have to launch the command prompt as administrator on your PC. Just press Windows +S and then type CMD. And then you have to right-click on the command prompt and choose Run as Administrator. And then you have to type the following command and press Enter. Now make sure to allow the scan to go through and complete without any obstruction. If your Windows System File Checker is able to discover any corrupt files, it will attempt to repair them automatically. And once the whole process has been completed, make sure to restart your PC. Another reliable solution that I would recommend you to try is to repair the Windows security on your PC. Windows 11 provides a pretty straightforward way to repair Windows security. Save this repair tool for occasions when the stock antivirus tool starts throwing all sorts of tantrums and refuses to mend its ways. To do so, launch the Settings app on your PC, and then you have to click on the Apps tab located in the left sidebar. And then you have to select the Installed Apps option. And then you have to locate Windows Security option and click on the triple dot icon located right next to it. And then you have to select the Advanced options in the menu. And then you have to click on the Repair button and wait for a few seconds to let Windows repair the antivirus tool. And finally, I will recommend you to reset the Windows security on your PC. If Windows security remains dysfunctional, I will recommend you to go for the kill and reset it. To do so, launch the Settings app on your PC, and then you have to click on the Apps tab located in the left sidebar. After that, select the Installed Apps option. And then you have to find the Windows Security option and click on the triple dot icon located right next to it. And then you have to choose the Advanced options in the menu. And finally, you have to click on the Reset button and confirm it, and that's about it. So these are the best tips and tricks to fix Windows security not working problem in Windows 11. Hopefully, you have gotten the better of the problem, and now this built-in antivirus tool has started to work like a charm on your PC. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy Windows tips and tricks. I will catch you up in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.